Most people think the tallest waterfall is in Venezuela, but there's a secret giant in South Africa. It's called Tugela Falls. Located deep in the Drakensberg Mountains, Tugela Falls drops 948 meters. That's almost 3,100 feet. Depending on how you measure it, some even say it's taller than Angel Falls. But it's so remote, many travelers don't even know it exists. A hidden wonder, just waiting to be discovered. So, is Tugela Falls the true king of waterfalls? Let us know. Like and follow for more geography secrets.